Have you ever wondered how to find teres minor? Well, if you just place the probe onto the lateral aspect of the scapula, then we can see the intramuscular tendon of infraspinatus, which is quite a nice big tendon. If we then just slide inferiorly, you'll see another hyperechoic region, which is the intramuscular tendon of teres minor. So all you then have to do is just to spin onto teres minor. You see that lovely fibular pattern, and then just follow the tendon until we see its attachment onto the inferior facet, which is there, of the greater tuberosity. So that's teres minor in long attaching onto that inferior facet, and then you can see a nice image as we move into the musculotendinous junction there. So that's how you find teres minor.
Did you find that video useful? If you did, don't worry, we've got loads more videos for you. You can like our videos, you can make a comment, you can subscribe to our channel to get all of our new videos, and you can even join our membership. Good luck scanning.